we're going to synchronize settings across images. So we need to select all of these thumbnails at the bottom, and the way you do that is click onto the film strip, which is the third one down, right click and select all. Now, or I can just press Command A. So here's just one of them. If I press Command A, they're all selected. Then I right click again. Actually, let's do it according to the book, the film strip, and then select sync settings. And we're just going to go with the defaults, which include everything except for geometry, crop, spot removal, and masking. And so we're just going to use synchronize everything, and then I press OK. And that's it. That's all you need to do.